Mami and Eli. We're at Burnaby Village Museum and Deer Lake Park. Sorry, tama. Deer Lake Park. We are at Deer Lake Park. And mag-Burnaby Village Museum kami. Lalakad lang kami today. So we are at this beautiful place. Isa sa pinakamagandang park sa loob ng city dito sa buong British Columbia, I would say. No, Mami. Hindi namin first time dito actually. Ilang beses na tayo nagpupunta dito, no?
Since
24. Actually, sa Suri pa lang tayo, nagpupunta na tayo dito eh. So, first time namin magpunta dito, parang 2023 pa. Ay, oo nga. Pakita natin sa kanila yan. I'll show you this one. Amazing how nape-preserve ng city dito ng BC and ng local government. This one, Burnaby local government, yung nature ba, no? Sa atin to, I guess natayuan na to ng mall, no? Mall na to kung sa Pilipinas eh. So dito talaga na-preserve nila yung yung nature. So a good balance of nature and I guess city. Pakita natin. Well, ito, konting sun. Tapos after a few So, dito na kami sa Burnaby Village.
Ano to? Hotel nila?
Hindi pa natin napupuntahan yan. Alam mo, I think. Tiyan natin.
May carol.
Hindi, dito yun. Sa kabilang side. Sa kabilang side tayo nag-entry before it.
Open ko.
Tiyan natin. Dito na kami ngayon sa Burnaby Village Museum. Oo. Ayan. So, lalakad na kami dito. Konting exercise. Exercise? Hindi, lakad lang kami. Mahilig kasi kami maglakad ni Mami. No? Kahit before pa, even before dumating sa amin si Eli, talagang hobby na namin ni Mami maglakad pag weekend. Na Mami? Ha? Hindi ka makakapasok siya kasi naka-stroller tayo. Pero bukas yan. Sumusumilip? Heritage building yan. So what's so great about this place is that you get to see old houses. So cool to see these old houses.
What's really cool about this house is that it's the second oldest recorded house in Burnaby.
Burnaby? Oh, really?
So it was built 1893, and then the oldest house is 1892. So just a year difference.
Wow. And where's the oldest house? Where can you find the oldest house?
It's in this area.
Area too.
Like it's in the Deer Lake area, but it's privately owned. So people aren't able to go to it.
Oh, but it's in the same place. Like
Not inside the park,
Not
but
inside.
in this area.
Oh,
Like,
really?
yeah.
I didn't realize that. 1893, 1892. That's really old. And this is exactly how it used to look like before. Is it fine if I'm recording?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And the furniture isn't original. It was added later on. It's
Okay.
the same style. As the
Same style, yeah. And how about this? Is this the same?
It's a replica.
Replica.
It's a little bit newer because it's still in use. The
Oh,
museum
it's working.
Yeah, the museum they make cookies with it. So that's why it's a little bit newer.
It's working. They make cookies with this one. Awesome, right?
If you come in the winter time, the museum
You can sleep. at this one. We have a bathtub here. So some parts of this house is still working, I guess, right?
Yes, and the faucet still works.
Works?
The
Wow.
stove works. But the house was built in 1893.
Yes.
But when the house was built in 1893,
Yes.
they didn't have running water.
Yes.
But you notice there are faucets.
Yeah.
Because the house was restored to what it looked like in
Yes.
1920.
1920, okay. Okay, interesting. This house has a second floor, but I guess you can go there, right?
Yeah, unfortunately it's closed.
Yeah, it's closed. Yeah, I think we've been here before. No, not yet. Okay. The other one, I think. You go ahead. See, there's a dining area there. 1966 lang yung bahay na yun. Alam ko. It's not even that old. 1892. See, look at we're going to this old. So this is a place that food journeys. So this is the Burnaby Post. Ito. Yeah, Burnaby Post. This is the old school post office of Burnaby. Ito ang lumang RBC. Look at that. The Royal Bank of Canada. Pasok tayo dito. Iwan tao doon. Hello po, magwi-withdraw. Magwi-withdraw po. I am withdrawing $10,000.